I am here to tell you guys why 90% of traders lose money in crypto. Understand? Nobody will tell you this thing, no? But it's just the simple truth. Understand me? If you're a beginner, listen to this video. Watch this video from the beginning to the end. And if you are a seasoned trader, this video is also important. How are you getting it? Most people chase pump. A lot of persons come into crypto with the mindset of getting rich quick. In the next few hours, they believe to blow. They believe crypto to blow them. Now, let me say this. The reason why you lose money in crypto is this. See, crypto does not make anybody to lose money. Are you hearing me? Crypto doesn't make anybody to lose money. Rather, it's you that make yourself to lose money in crypto. Yes, it's you that make yourself to lose money in crypto. Understand? I'm here to mention about 4 or 5 mistakes. There are a lot of traders, both seasoned traders, both new traders, make that result to losses in crypto. And at the end of the day, they say crypto is a scam, it's a gambling, is this. I'm here to correct that mistake. Watch this video from the beginning to the end. If you're a new subscriber, hit that subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome. Thank you for coming around to be watching our videos. This is your crypto mom. Let's proceed. Why most people lose money in crypto is this. Mistakes number 1, chasing pump. A lot of persons will chase pump. We buy when we see great candle. The moment we see great candle, we rush into the market and we want to buy. FOMO want to buy. You buy when everyone is feeling excited. Things are not done that way. You chase pump, you chase great candles. Understand? You not buy when the market is down. Why? Smart money buys when there is no great candle, when everywhere is quiet. That's when smart money enters to buy. Why? You chase pump, you buy when everybody is excited. What do you expect? You'll be used as exit liquidity. Are you getting it? So even if you're a seasoned trader or an experienced trader or a new trader, watch this video from the beginning to the end. Mistake number 1, chasing a pump is very, very bad. It will make you to lose a huge amount of money in crypto. Nobody will tell you this. Stop chasing pump. Okay? This video is not about no charts, no signals, and no indicators. I'm telling you nothing but the truth. The bitter truth is what I'm telling you guys right now. Are you getting it? Mistake number 2, no plan. You don't know when to enter the market. You don't know when to exit the market. You don't know. That's no entry, no exit, no entry plan, no exit plan, no profit target. You don't know when to take profit. You don't know when to enter. You don't know when to exit the market. I laugh in Spanish. What do you expect? What do you expect? At the end of the day, make losses upon losses. Mommy. This is one of the reasons, one of the mistakes a lot of persons make that resulted to huge losses in crypto. Don't forget, number 1 is what? Chasing pump. Number 2, no plan. Mistakes number 3, most of the traders made that make them to lose huge amount of money is what? Listening to everyone. So many of us will listen to a lot of persons. You go to Twitter, you hear a lot of voices. You go to YouTube, you hear a lot of voices. You go to Discord, you hear a lot of voices. You go to Telegram, you hear a lot of voices. Smart money, they learn one strategy. And what is that strategy? To block out noises, as in voices. Understand? Mistake number 4, overtrading. Understand? That's one of the mistakes most people make that cause them to make a lot of mistakes. To make a lot of losses in crypto. Overtrading. That's mistakes number 4, overtrading. Are you getting it? You want to trading every day doesn't make you a profitable trader. I don't know if you understand this. Trading every day does not make you a profitable trader. All of us will trade almost every day. We trade almost every day. Are you getting it? It's not good. You can trade once in 2 days or twice in a week. You can trade twice in a week, thrice in a week. It's okay. You mustn't trade every day. That doesn't make you a profitable trader if you're trading every day. Are you getting it? Learn this and have peace. Mistake number 4 is emotions. You don't come into this industry with emotions. You need to be in charge of emotion. You need to control your emotion. You don't trade crypto with emotion. Understand these simple mistakes and have peace. If you understand these 5 mistakes I just listed now, I promise you, crypto will be very easy for you. You can never make huge losses anymore. Not that you will not be making losses. There's nobody in this industry, even those that have spent 10 years in this industry, that have never made losses. Even me, I've made losses and I've made so much profit. But a situation whereby your losses are 80%, while your profits are 20%, you need to go back and learn crypto. And I want to advise you, before you go into trading, learn it. Have a good knowledge about cryptocurrency. It's too broad, it's too wide. Have a good knowledge. It will save you from a lot of problem, a lot of panicking, a lot of heart attack, a lot of getting upset because of losses upon losses. Learn it before you start earning. Learn crypto before you start earning. That's my kind of advice. If you're a newbie, if you're a beginner, learn crypto before you start what? Trading it. Both in investing, both the trading aspect, any part of cryptocurrency, I will advise you go for knowledge before you start making money. It's very, very important. You don't just from nowhere find yourself into crypto and you want to learn how to trade without knowing the foundation, without knowing the fundamentals. It's very, very risky. It's very, very risky. Never you trade crypto with emotion. It will burn you. If you are trading crypto with emotion more, you go to blow your account like tomorrow no day. Are you hearing me? You got to blow your account like tomorrow, no day. If you're trading crypto with emotions, you need to have a strategy that works for you. Don't trade it with emotion. If you trade with emotion, man, no day. Anything you say, you take. That's what the reason between us and smart money. They have the particular strategy they use in trading. They don't trade when everywhere is excited. They don't buy when everybody is happy. They buy when the market is burdensome. When the market is boring, that's when they enter to trade. Are you getting it? But why retail traders buy the trade when everywhere is excited? What do you think that will happen to you? People use you. People that enter earlier before you use as an exit liquidity. That's one thing we don't understand and we don't want to know. Cryptocurrency is very, very interesting if you understand the strategy. Crypto is all about being strategic. Being strategic. If you are strategic, you will not be making losses much again. But a lot of us will trade with emotion. Understand? We listen to this, we listen to that, we listen to this, we listen to that. Please be guided. Thank you so much. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome. This is a billionaire's family. We're one family here. Alright? Watch our previous videos, apply it. I've listed a lot of tokens. I've mentioned a lot of tokens that can print more money to us in this bull run. I've mentioned a lot of meme coins, altcoins for us to buy. Just watch my previous videos. You get a lot of coins to buy. If you have your money, you don't know the tokens to buy, check our previous videos. Watch our live videos. Watch our long videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming around to be watching our video. God bless you. I don't take you guys for granted, okay? Yes, I don't. Make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. Have a lovely day. Start off.